Ever lost your Microsoft apps in the digital jungle of your computer? Let's cut through the confusion and pinpoint exactly where your Microsoft apps are hiding. First up, the easiest method, the Windows search bar. Click on the Windows Start button, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type the name of the Microsoft app you're looking for, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. The app should pop up in the search results. Now, here's the magic trick. Right-click on the app in the search results. A menu will appear, and you should see an option that says Open File Location. Click on that, and a new window will open, revealing the folder where the shortcut to your app lives. Keep in mind, this isn't necessarily the application's main program file. It's just the shortcut, but it's a great start. If you want to find the actual program file, right-click on the shortcut. Select Properties from the context menu in the Properties window. Go to the Shortcut tab, and you'll see a button labeled Open File Location. Click that button, and voila! You'll be taken directly to the folder where the actual program file is stored. Another useful method is through the Apps and Features section. In Windows Settings, click on the Windows Start button and then click on the gear icon to open Settings. Select Apps from the menu here. You'll find a list of all the installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find your Microsoft app. Click on the app, then click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Then the full path to where the application is installed will display. Microsoft applications are typically located in the Program Files or Program Files x86 folder on your C drive. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to track down those elusive Microsoft apps on your computer. Now you know exactly where to find them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.